This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
At first glance, the Mazda CX-50 resembles the other crossovers in the brand's lineup. That's an intentional move in keeping with the company's design language, but it's worth a closer look to appreciate what the vehicle is aimed at. The CX-50 shares many of the same lines and similar platform as the CX-5, a larger two-row crossover. However, the engineers at Mazda altered the handling and characteristics of it to be more at home off-road. It's not a rock crawler for extreme situations, but more than adequate for most non-paved surfaces. We found that it is more than capable in an off-road test, which included extreme hill climbing. These are the conditions where the change in handling takes place using G-vectoring control. What does that mean to the non-technical types?
G-vectoring control is a trick we use to shift weight onto the front tires when you're steering, just when you make a steering input, because the tires really respond to vertical load, right? So it tightens up the steering and gives the front tires more grip. And we tune G-vectoring control differently in our different drive modes, so that when you're on gravel, the surface is a little slippery and your car tends to slide around a bit. And we turn up that G-vectoring control, and what it does is it makes those front tires bite. When you turn in, it turns in almost normally like it would be on pavement.
The CX-50 only comes in an all-wheel drive configuration, which complements the 6-speed automatic transmission. Power comes from a familiar engine, the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. One version is naturally aspirated and is rated at 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. A second version is the turbocharged platform, delivering 256 horsepower and 310 feet of torque when using premium fuel. If regular unleaded is in the tank, the power output drops to 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. That turbo can also pull a trailer weighing up to 3,500 pounds without a problem. With the arrival of the CX-50, Mazda has a platform aimed at attracting drivers who want something that behaves well in urban driving, but that can also be equally at home roughing it off the paved surfaces. I'm Greg Morrison.